still importing products one by one. That's going to take forever. In this video, I'll show you 2 ways to batch import products into BuckyDrop. Let's go. You might ask, why import to BuckyDrop first? Because BuckyDrop handles everything for you. Sourcing from China, warehouse storage, quality checks, and auto-fulfillment to your customers. You just focus on selling. First, log into your BuckyDrop dashboard at BuckyDrop.com if you haven't signed up yet. Link in the description. New users get $15 credit. Then click Tools in the top menu and select Batch Product Import. Here's the first method, using a single product link to import the entire store. Paste any product URL from the store you want to import. Then select your purchase way. I recommend BuckyDrop sourcing. Click Capture Product. BuckyDrop will automatically scan the entire store and pull all the product listings. You can check the capture task here. It shows status, quantity, and estimated time. Now the second method, bulk import using a template. Click Bulk Import of Products, then download the Excel template. The template has clear instructions on how to fill it out. Fill in the template with your product links, titles, SKUs, and other details. Once you're ready, click Import Template to upload it, then confirm importing to start the process. You can check the import status in real time. Click View Results to see the outcome. Here you'll see which products were imported successfully and which ones need attention. Finally, select the products you want and click Import to Product List. Done, all your products are now in BuckyDrop, ready to push to Shopify or any store you connected. Sign up at BuckyDrop.com. New users get $15 free credit. Link in the description. See you in the next one.